Today we're going to check out this X magnetic heater for the truck. There's the heater. Now we're going to give this an hour. Well, I have an idea what we can do for an hour. I think it's time for me and Levan to go for a venture. Since I've been here, I still haven't been down to the lake, and it's frozen over, so I think me and Levan should go check it out too. Yeah, we're gonna see if it's walkable and to see if it's safe to walk on the ice. So come join us. Walking to the lake. This is cool. Welcome to 49th Krieger. Today we're checking out the frozen lakes behind the cabin. Come check it out with us. Pretty awesome. There's the cabin. Levan's already walking on the lake. Levan, go walk. Go run. Come on. Go out on the ice. That's pretty cool. This leads from one side of the lake to another. It's like a little channel to the bigger part. That is so cool. Come on, boy. Come here. Come here, boy. You guys want to join me to explore the second lake? Man, this is fun. Frozen lakes, oh man. Now we're gonna explore the second lake. This should be fun. So the reason I'm on the ice today is to test it to see if it's walkable and if it's time for ice fishing. So I hope you guys subscribe and you guys follow along and you guys can join me on those adventures of ice fishing in need of catching some fish. Yes, in this frozen Alaskan wilderness. Now we're gonna test the heater to see if the oil pan is nice and hot. Hopefully it is, so Blue can drive during the winter. Yeah, it's nice and it's warm. It's not hot. Oh, that's hot. This corner gets really cold at night and it doesn't heat up as well as the rest of the cabin. So I pulled up this board behind the bed and I found a huge gaping hole. So I put foam in and now I'm going to put the board back over and yeah, then hopefully that will stop a huge air leak. Tonight I think I'm making chicken and rice soup. So, yep, follow me with this one. After the onions are translucent, I just put some chicken stock in, and then I'm going to add a quarter cup of washed rice. And I'll probably let this come to a boil and probably then put it on a simmer and let it sit for like 45 minutes. something I haven't made in a while. So this is the first in the cabin. So I'm gonna make some bread. I'm starting to set my alarm clock for 4:45 a.m. just so I can wake up to stoke the fire because last night was really cold. Move, no, hot. Now I'm going to put in 2-inch foam boards in the underneath of the cabin. Hopefully that will insulate the floor a lot more and keep me a lot warmer. We're going to squeeze this on the foam board and then apply it, and then I'm going to duct tape it, and then I'm going to put in some screws for some extra hold. So here we go. One down. Now I got to tape it. So I had to cut around for the pipe and the wires. So the second panel's going up. So because the transmission's leaking, I'm going to put this Max Life transmission stop leak, and hopefully I'm doing it right by putting it in here. If not, screwing up my truck. Now I'm going to put some ATF number +4